Hey, Sky, where are we? Are we at the river? Are you fishing at the river? Yeah, dude. Colorado River. This is the second time we've been here. We have another video on this location. We're out here again. We were here in spring, now we're out here in fall. We're in Earp, California at Emerald Cove Resort. Scotty's loving it so far. It's about 90 degrees out, so it's perfect. It's not 115. So it's actually absolutely perfect to be out here right on the river. Pretty sweet. Scotty, fishing? Scotty loves to go fishing. It's copping daddy. Get it, dude. Alright, here we are. So you can see right behind me, right there's Scott. And there's Grammy and Papa's rig. They actually got a spot right here on the river. So we don't even have to track all of our stuff down to the beach. We just walk outside their front door and there we are, hanging out. Alright, now we have the Easy Up set up. Well, it's not Easy Up, Yoli Easy Lift. Knockoff of Easy Up. We should have gone Easy Up, but oh well. Perfect spot, chill, watch Scotty play. We're right here with Grammy and Papa's rig. And then we have our little table set up. If you just look right across the way, whoo, there's our little Winnie drop right there. So we can just walk back and forth to our spots. Place is pretty sweet. All set up, hanging out for the weekend. Actually for about 3-4 days. Actually right when Grammy and Papa got here, the first or second night, Papa was coming out of the rig and rolled his ankle, his foot right here on this slab, and broke his foot in 3 different spots. So he's all laid up with a boot on. Luckily no surgery. So good thing we were on our way out here to help them out. We got to help pack up the rig. They're actually going to leave the rig, store it here, so they don't have to worry about driving it home because it is his right foot. This just is a driving foot. So now Grammy's going to have to drive the truck all the way back home to Idaho. And then they'll be back out next spring. We'll meet them back out here again. Until then, we're enjoying this last bit of summer weather. So I can't get enough of this. Whenever I see these two, I have to either take a picture or video. Scotty has to be just like Dada. Fishing like his Dada. Are you fishing with Daddy? Yeah? Catching some fish? Wow, what you got there, dude? Good job. Catch a fish. All right, dude. Good job. getting the girl washed. Alright, out for an afternoon bike ride. Go, dude, go! Got the rig all washed for the first time ever. Was an okay job. Guys took like 15 minutes and they were done, and I mean, it was good. So, alright dude, now we're out riding our bikes for the afternoon. Grammy made some pasta. We're looking for the donkeys. Let's go see if we can find them.
Hey, Pierre.
Donkey! Sky, look it right there. You see him? Okay. Hi, donkey. Do you see him? Say hi, buddy. Oh, say hi, buddy.
Oh.
So what a donkey sounds like? Oh, his belly's getting bigger. Don't.
Oh my God. Scotty, the doggy likes you, buddy.
Donkey likes you, dude. Oh, okay.
Okay.
What's going on? See you later, donkey. Alright, here's the Emerald Cove Country Store. They have all the pool over there with a bar. They have two pools, one for adults, one for kids and adults, and then the bar in between.
That's fine.
But right up here, this store has basically everything you need. Has sandals, clothes, food. Has all the basics you may need in here. It has a bunch of brochures for our local areas. Some souvenirs and ice cream. And of course where Scott goes fishing. Has basic household items you may need. Even for your boat and your car or truck. The booze. So, perfect. Everything you may need here. Don't forget to stop by. One pool.
One pool on one side of the tiki bar. This is where they have the steak dinners on the weekends. Nice. Kids park. Where's our kid? Oh, there's, speaking of the devil.
Daddy! Are you playing? He's like, there's mama. No, that's not mama. There's dada. It's not dada. What do you say? He goes, that's great.
Small little kiddie pool. Another pool on this side. Bar. Everybody's just chilling.
We're at the pool. You want to get some ice cream? They say they have ice cream over here. Want to go check it out? They also have this cute little miniature golf course. Come on, let's go. We're going to go play some miniature golf here. You go see the big chicken? Yeah, you want to go play? Let's go play, dude. Come on. Go follow Daddy. Let's go golfing. Watch where you're going. Don't run into the truck. There goes Dada. That is a golf course, huh? Want to go golfing? Yeah. Let's go. We're going to go golfing at the golf course here. So cool. All right, here goes Daddy.
Hey, look, watch.
Here's the Indian hole. Here goes Daddy. Let's see. It's There goes Grammy and Papa without the rig. Uh-oh, where's the rig at? And there's our rig. Wait, where? There's our rig. We're hooked up.
Grammy and Papa's rig.
There goes Grammy and Papa's rig over there. Leaving it here. Because Grammy has to drive all the way back to Idaho. Papa's right foot is broken in 3 spots, so leaving the rig here. They have a storage facility here, so they come and they'll pick it up and bring it over to the storage, and then when they come back in April, they'll pull it back out, park it back, and then we'll meet them back out here by the river. Bye, river. See you next time.